Making unusual ice for the party. We'll need ice molds, coconut flakes of different colors, berries, we took viburnum and currant, food colorants, a pipette, a glass of water, and a vessel of purified water. Pour coconut flakes into each cell of the ice mold, alternating colors. In some cells, mix different colors. Fill it with water. Send the form to the freezer. In each cell of the following ice mold, we put the berries, alternating their types and number. Fill it with water. Send the form to the freezer. And the last ice mold. Firstly, fill it with water, and then, alternating the colors, drip the food colorant with the pipette. Stir the food colorant with the same pipette. Before taking a different color, wash the pipette in a glass. Remember to mix colors. Add one color to another to get a new one. Send the form to the freezer. The ice is ready. We got such an unusual ice. It will become a stylish addition to a drink and will be remembered by your guests.